honestly had probably one of the best weeks I've had so far on this trading journey. We did not have any losing days at all on both the accounts, on the original account and the new account that I had gotten. But today was a break even day. Honestly, way more better than taking a loss today. As y'all saw on the start, pretty good trade that I took, and I thought I was gonna get stopped out right there at the start, but good thing I had my stop loss at a good place. But hey, we did good. Let me explain why I took this trade. All right, guys, y'all know the drill. So first, mark off your Asian session start, Asian session close. This is London session start. London session gets interrupted by New York pre-market. Then this is New York open. Once you have them marked out, then mark off your Asian high, Asian low, London high, London low. See which ones get taken out, and you do the same thing for the S&P 500. All right. So then, boom, you see that nothing really happens in London session. It does take out the Asian session low, but really besides that, it doesn't really do anything. It just makes this low and just continues up higher. But whenever you get into pre-market, there was PPI news, not PMI. There's PPI news, and right here you can see that it took out the London highs. And this just shows you right here that it's going to be a manipulation and reversal in New York session, because there wasn't any big movement or any draw of liquidity that got taken out that really made you think, okay, manipulation and reversal continuation. So you're going to be looking for sells. That's exactly what my bias was for today, and is exactly why I took these trades. So right here, this is NASDAQ. You can see that this was way more after market open, but I had seen an SMT get formed right here. After I saw this candle get formed, you go on S&P. This is the same exact candle. It went up. This is an SMT, 5-minute SMT, and you can see that after that candle got made, it went and started the downtrend. And right here, off of this break of structure, I entered in. But then I literally seen it go all the way up here, and I'm like, yo, bro, I'm about to get stopped out. But I literally had my stop loss right here. Barely got almost stopped out, and it started reversing. I was like, okay, bet. I see this gap get inverse. There's another break of structure. What could happen? And then I see it keep going up. I'm like, all right, I'm going to just get stopped out. But it keeps going down. And then once it gets to around here, I was like, bro, it's going to start reversing. Okay, bet. I'm going to just put it at break even. If I lose, all right, it's just going to continue up. Literally goes all the way down here. So, bro, these were mainly my confluences. There's a 5-minute SMT. NASDAQ was the leading index. I was waiting for a break of structure on a 5-minute and 15-minute. And there's a 5-minute break of structure and 15-minute break of structure. And there's IFVG, an inverse fair value gap on the 5-minute. And right here too. Literally all right there. Boom. All done. And I was using the equilibrium too. This was a good example of an equilibrium right here. So I'll put it from the high to the low. Price taps into equilibrium and inverses the gap. Literally could have taken a trade right here. Boom. Put a sell. Stop right here. Take profit at the London low. Honestly, I should have just put more contracts in and then taken a trade off of the London low. But then again, my stop would have been way more down and literally would have gone stopped out right there at market open, bro. Not market open, but literally right there, bro. Honestly, the setup was good. My confluences were good. Everything was good, bro. It's just bro, it's Friday. Market's gonna close for the weekend, and whenever that happens, price tends to just be more choppier, more consolidating and everything. It just ranges the whole day, so it honestly just makes your trades feel way more longer, and you take your trades for way more longer. But it's just because it's a Friday and market's about to close, so that's exactly why the markets did this. So let's get into my accounts. Boom, you love to see it. 1.2K on the funded. And we had taken 23 trades in this whole month. We're up 1,204. Our win rate is 60.87%. That is the break-even trade we took, $17.76. And here's our calendar, bro. You see this? Whole week all green. I know you might see this and say, damn, 5 trades, bro. What are you doing? No. This is just because I had taken 2 trades in Asian session and 2 trades in New York, 3 trades in New York session. So the 2 trades in Asian session, I took partials and then went break even, lost. And then in New York session, I took a break-even trade, but I took a partial, and then I lost the trade, and then I took another trade and won that like 200. So that's why. And our P&L, you know, going up, and of course we have no drawdown. $603.28. Our account is up that much. 5-day win streak, 83.33% on the win rate, and 2 trades win. That's the trade we took right there today. And here's our calendar. As you can see, only 1 losing day, and the rest of the days outshine it. So that's how you know we're doing good. Our P&L is up, and our drawdown is 0. Yo guys, today was a W trade, I guess. You just got to think about it. If you take like a good full take profit, boom, you did good. If you didn't take full take profit, but you did like close it out early, okay, hey, look, you still won profits. And then if you think about it, if you go on a break-even day, bro, it's way more better than taking a loss. And then if you took a loss, bro, it's way more better than having a blown account. You just got to put it all into perspective, bro. I just took a break-even day today, and honestly, I'm thankful for that. And hey, we just gonna keep going. I will definitely do a video about news within the weekend, and I'm gonna just post that, just going over it real quick of what days I'm going to be trading and maybe what I'm gonna be expecting, and probably go over a little bit of how I trade with news and how it works for me, at least on my strategy whenever I'm trading and everything. But hey, you know, we did good. I hopefully y'all did good too in y'all's trading journey and all that. Let me know how y'all did today, but I'm gonna see when I'm gonna trade next week, but y'all will know. But if not, I'll see y'all in the next trade.